let's see.
And this is
very hot.
Today is 4th July and we are going to the
Yeah.
Kennedy Space Center Visit Complex. So we can say Happy Independence Day to all of you, and we'll be reaching there by 1 hour. It's almost 9:40, so we're expecting
There is a fire.
10:50 something like that.
Fireworks
So
will happen.
probably we'll see the fireworks also. Thank you. That's a real one. I think no, it's not real, I guess.
Turn right.
This is Atlantis.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Johnny's house.
Really, that's number one hit music station.
हाँ? হ্যাঁ লাস্টে ওই যে ওইখানে চলো চলো ততক্ষণ দেখি
My name is Richard. I'll be your driver for the next 30 or 40 minutes or so. Now, before we get started, though, we do ask two things of all of our guests. One, please, stay in your seats while the bus is in motion. There are no seatbelts in these buses. This is a wildlife refuge. Wild animals can and often do come running right out in front of us like a wild pig or a deer or something like that. We've got to slam on those brakes. I don't want to get anybody hurt. The second thing we ask of everyone is to put your cell phones on vibrate while we're on the bus. I'll be showing you some videos along the way. And it's virtually impossible to hear if there's multiple conversations going on. Other than that, we can do pretty much what we like. I encourage you, please, take all the pictures you wish. If I see something out of the ordinary, I'll try to slow down and point it out. Maybe we'll get a picture as we go by. So we all ready to get this tour started? All right. Let's roll.
As I said, you're in for a very special experience today. Enjoy yourself as you get a unique look at NASA and Kennedy Space Center's past historic achievements, an exciting peek at our current innovative activities, and an eye-opening view of our amazing future. Again, welcome to the John F. Kennedy Space Center.
Just ahead is one of the world's largest buildings by volume, the Vehicle Assembly Building, or VAB. It was built for the Apollo program in the 1960s and stands 525 feet or 160 meters high. The American flag you see on the front is 21 stories tall. The VAB is where everything comes together before a launch. The Apollo and Space Shuttle vehicles were assembled for flight in the VAB. This cavernous facility contains 4 huge bays where the spacecraft were assembled using massive overhead bridge cranes for highly complex maneuvers. Today, the VAB is being updated to assemble our next human-rated launch vehicle, the Space Launch System, or SLS. The SLS is the most powerful rocket in history and has an evolvable design that ranges from 321 to 384 feet tall, depending on mission requirements. This rocket will someday help NASA to reach its goal of human exploration of Mars. The large tower next to the VAB is the mobile launcher being built for SLS. When completed, it will carry the massive launch vehicle on top of the crawler transporter to pad 39B. You will learn more about the launch of SLS when we get to the launch pad. Adjacent to the VAB is the Launch Control Center, the distinctively shaped 4-story building which houses the launch team. This is where the ground controllers, engineers, and launch director monitor the spacecraft and manage all the activities leading up to launch.
This is actually where we do all our general maintenance work on the crawlers. Now this one has a mobile launch platform already sitting on top of it. It came off of launch pad A and is here because we just don't have any place else to put it. Now the crawler all by itself weighs 6 million pounds. It's 2,700 horsepower.
চলে যাচ্ছে এগুলো মানে ঢুকতে দেয় না, এগুলো জাস্ট ওই সামনে থেকে দেখা। তুমি যে বললে মুনের পাথর, ওটা মনে হয় ওইখানে যে একদম ঢোকার মুখে একটা এই সেম বিল্ডিং আছে, ওই বিল্ডিংটাতে।
all your carried out back underneath the seat in front of you in one of the overhead bins. If you have a laptop computer, it's straight out all bins to it for landing.
Nào, đây chị kiếm cái đảo